If you need to set up a meeting that happens every quarter, Google Calendar makes it really easy once you know where to look. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create quarterly meetings in Google Calendar step by step, so you can save time, stay organized, and avoid having to schedule the same meeting over and over again. This is especially useful for business reviews, team check-ins, planning sessions, and any recurring meeting that only needs to happen every 3 months. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Workspace guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the calendar dashboard, look for the Create button, usually in the top left corner, and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Event. This opens the event creation window where you can add all the details for your meeting. Now, enter the meeting title. Make it clear and easy to recognize, such as Quarterly Review Meeting or Quarterly Team Sync. After that, choose the date and time for the first meeting in the series. This first date is important because it will become the starting point for the recurring schedule. Next, you'll want to set up the repeat settings. Find the option that says Does Not Repeat, click it, and then choose Custom. This is where you can create a recurrence pattern that fits your quarterly schedule. In the custom repeat settings, look for the option that says Repeats Every and change it to 3 months. That tells Google Calendar to repeat this event once every quarter instead of every week or every month. After that, choose the day of the month you want the meeting to happen on. For example, if your first meeting is on the 15th, you can keep it set to repeat on that same day each quarter. If you want, you can double check that the pattern matches your preferred schedule before moving on. Then you'll need to decide when the recurring meetings should stop. You can set an end date if this meeting only needs to run for a certain period, or you can choose Never if you want it to continue indefinitely. This is a helpful option if the meeting is part of an ongoing quarterly process. Once everything looks correct, click Done to confirm the repeat settings, then click Save to create the event. Google Calendar will now generate your quarterly meeting automatically based on the schedule you selected. And that's it. You've successfully created a quarterly meeting in Google Calendar. Now, every 3 months, your event will appear on the calendar without you needing to manually recreate it each time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Google Calendar tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.